Hey, hello everyone. How are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 on the iOS 14.7 and should you update your iPhone 11 to this firmware. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. First of all, we are going to talk about the performance. The performance of iPhone 11 on this firmware have been really darn amazing for me till now. The stability have been okay. I won't really say that it is the most stable version out here, but yeah, the stability, I have not really had any major issues with the stability of this update. Talking about the battery life, well, yes, battery life is an area where Apple did wonders this time. iOS 14.7 is like so much more better in terms of battery life on any device. Like even if you have iPhone 6s, but most probably you are watching it. What I'm saying, you are watching iPhone 11 video. Obviously, you have iPhone 11. So whatever is the thing, right? Even if you are talking to your friend and they have an iPhone, if they will ask you that should they update their device to this firmware, just in terms of battery life, it have a major impact on all devices supporting the iOS 14, and the impact I'm talking about is positive. Like seriously, the battery is much better on the iOS 14.7 compared to previous versions, and I am in for this. Like Apple, thank you so much for such an amazing improvement. Like this is the thing that iOS 14.6 was really lacking, and even iPhone 12, my iPhone 12 got to 97% of the battery life after using it for a few days on the iOS 14.6, and yes, the battery health dropped because of that update. So it's really bad, I know, but at the same time I did update in my device to iOS 15 beta because 14.6 was not the best version to be on. Let us just all agree, and if I am draining my battery life, then why not just install iOS 15 public beta or developer beta. So I did install it, and I know many of you guys also did. So should you downgrade your device to iOS 14.7? Now let's talk about that. Well, in my opinion, if you are doing it on a primary device, just be sure to back up your data every single time if you are upgrading, downgrading to any major version of OS. Like I'm talking about from one OS to another. By that I mean from iOS 14 to iOS 15, from iOS 12 to 13, 13 to 14. You know what I'm saying? And we are talking about the heat. Yes, apparently some people, some of my friends and their followers over on Twitter at the rate Tech Hype, you can follow me if you want to, and I pretty much respond to everyone, so you can just DM me if you want on Twitter at the rate Tech Hype. So one of my follower messaged me that his iPhone 11 was getting really warm to touch on iOS 14.6, and the performance, he did had a major issue in terms of performance which he didn't had on iOS 14.5. So for those people, yes, this update seems like it have fixed it, but be sure to subscribe because anything can change, right? And I have fixed, temporary fix and permanent fix for everything, every iDevice and all right? Just consider subscribing and like the video if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's pretty much it for me today, and yeah, I have my exams, so please just bear with me. Yeah, I am okay. My exams are going on, so that's the reason of video delay. That's it, and peace out.
Oh,